So guys, these are some of the things we are asking our government, we are asking our leaders, why are they quiet if foreigners are speaking like this? If this person was a South African provoking foreigners like this country was going to be on fire. All politicians was going to stand up to condemn what South Africans are saying or doing to foreigners. So the question is, why are we becoming foreigners in our own country and then foreigners are becoming the citizens of this country? They are being prioritized, protected, defended in every corner. In this country, if a foreigner sneezes, the whole country will shake. But you as a South African, try to sneeze, you'll be blamed of spreading a flu from a foreigner. Why is it like that? Can a Zimbabwean government prioritize South Africans in Zimbabwe? Can a Nigerian government prioritize South Africans in Nigeria? I don't think so.
Salibonani, ngegama lenkosi yethu uJesu siyabingelela. Njengalokho sikhona thina emhlabeni. Sikhona kona igoli bakithi. Siloke siyabona kwenzakala lokhu asethukanga. Asethukanga ngitsho la leli lodwa ilanga. Asethukanga. Maza kuthiwa kulamandebele yithi yamandebele lawana aseZimbabwe. Esingazange saba le ndawo lapha eSouth Africa kodwa saya eZimbabwe sa developer sikhona ngale. Siyalibingelela njani lonke. Siyaphila. Bafowethu. Ngicabanga ukuthi sokuyisikhathi sokuthi simelene amaqiniso njengalokho enjalo. Iqiniso lithi lona uma bengisuka njampa iborder, ngisuka eZimbabwe njampa iborder nsiza la. Ngihamba lamanye ama passengers anjengami. Angikhumbuli ngifonelwa kuthiwa woza ngapha eGoli siyakucela ubuye ngapha. Mina ngazibuyela ngementality yami ukuthi ngifuna ukuyasebenzela abantu abami eGoli. So bafowethu, i-contract engayisayinayo ngasayina ukuthi ngathatha i-passport. Ngasitshela ukuthi ngiza travela wherever I want. And ngasendiscover ukuthi I like South Africa very too much. Ikho nyabe ngisiye ekhaya ngiphinda ngibuye eSouth Africa. Lalelani ke madoda. Ivideo leli ihambisenini. Ayihambe ifike lapho efuna ukufika khona sila problem. ESouth Africa akasindawo madoda. ESouth Africa akasindawo. Ngicela ivideo leli ifikise la ku Max Makhanya ngeke ngamuzwe ekhuluma ethi ulibutho. Max Makhanya ulibutho khona lapho khona. Thina singamadoda aseZimbabwe Max Makhanya ngicabanga ukuthi bengufollower kakhulu.
Uthi thina siyamadoda aseZimbabwe. Thina kaMandebele aseZimbabwe. There are men in Zimbabwe kanti. I never knew that there are men in Zimbabwe. If there are men in Zimbabwe who are very dangerous as this guy is describing himself, why is the country like that? Why is there no one fighting for that country? If as Ndebeles they are really men, why are they not confronting ZANU-PF? Why are they not fighting for their women and children? Why are they running away from their problems? A person who is scared, even if you see his face for the first time, is claiming that he is not afraid. Guys, sometimes I ask myself, if South Africa was not in this continent, how were these people going to survive?
But mfowethu ungajampi iborder yakithi ngenkulumo zakho. SingamaZimbabwe kasindawo Max. Video le ngifuna ifike la kuwe kasindawo. Bese kusithi emadodeni esibonileyo exotsha abantu. Ethi abantu kabahambe. Madoda. Asindawo thina.
Ungajampi iborder yakithi ngenkulumo zakhe. Ubani ojampi iborder kanti between us and them? You leave your house, you come to my house. When you get to my house, you are telling me not to speak about your house. How can I not speak about your house if you are in my house?
Madoda. Asindawo thina. Silitshele nje iqiniso singatshoni silifihlela kasindawo. Imatch and match level iyenza lisibona singekho estrade lijabula lithi seyiproberia besikhona. Besihlele ezindlini. The reason why besihlele ezindlini sihlonipha lokho belikwenza. But likhumbula ukuthi thina umthetho uhamba phambili kakhulu ngoba amaphepha sinawo. So into kumele li understand bafowethu kasibalekanga emazweni akithi. But isa upgrade asashuka sathi thina sesiyasebenzela abantu abethu. Kungayise ukuthi elizweni lakithi kakuphileke kuyaphileka. But silapha eSouth Africa nje amanje. As long as sithi sihambe lichaza ukuthi ngasiletha abafowethu ngamandla bebuye la and siyabaletha. asindawo madoda, asindawo. Singamadoda siyalihlonipha aseZimbabwe, silihlonipha kakhulu. Lani ake libe lendlela yokusihlonipha. Angithi madoda, ilizwe leli makuthi lilibona ngathi akalikho right, sizalilungisa sisonke, ngoba lathi singabantu lapha sizazama ukuthi sililungise ngoba silamaphepha.
How? Kanti they know how to fix the country. If they know how to fix the country, why did they fail to fix Zimbabwe? Why must they fix South Africa? Is Zimbabwe not fixable or it's beyond repair? If ulalela kahle labantu uyarealize ukuthi labantu abekho rights kahle emakhanda. Like this thing yokuthi we came to develop South Africa. How can you leave your country undeveloped to run to South Africa and claim you came to develop South Africa? How can you even be able to develop other countries if you fail to develop your own country? How possible is that? Hayi silingiwe ma South Africans.
Kodwa ukuthi lithi sihamba hayi bekungakafika emqondo nethu ukuthi sihambe madoda. Liyabona ikhanda leli akulampunga la. Intshebeleza akukabile impunga. So kutshengisha ukuthi sasemutsha kakhulu, ngisafuna ukuphanda, safuna ukusebenza. So maningi kancane madoda. Lento yeni le ukuthi manje khamba estrate libuza abantu amaphepha kade sesifike esikhathini sokuthi ezilonga laphoyisa phakathi asakhiphi iphepha. Vela sikubonisa iphepha. Ungazi ukuthi iphepha siyakutshela ukuthi iphepha hambe eveze lakho oqala. Sihlali la. Lapha bafowethu lapha asikudlala la. Into eliyenzayo lenza wrong kakhulu. Lina ngathiwa litshelwa wathi ukufa komuntu siyakwesaba ngubani? Asisabi thina. Ukufa komuntu vele kasikwesabi. Ngoba akula umuntu ongekefe. So into yeni le maningi kancane. Maningi kancane. Maningi kancane impela madoda, lokho ukuthi libe lokho lithi lizatshintsha lenzeni. Umuntu wenza ulutho katshintshi madoda. Katshela umuntu vele ukuthi ngiyatshintsha ngenze so. Umuntu uyayenza ngendlela afuna ngayo. So lalelani ke madoda. Lapha sisekhaya la. Lapha sisekhaya la. Vele lokho kasilifihleli. Lapha sisekhaya, lapha kungakithi. Kungakithi impela. Mina Thekwini khona ngalo yanithola. Cape Town yanithola. KoNongoma khona ngale lithi liyaxotsha abantu mina ngiyafika. eNewcastle emadadeni ngiyafika mina. INatal yonke ngiyayihamba mina. Angikanga ntshontshe mina. Angibulali, but nyawe ngihamba ngendlela ukuthi ngiyakwazi ukuthi ngiyenzani kuleli lizwe. Yekelani into yena le. Elikwekeleni okuyinto lokho. Okuyinto lokho siyakubona impela but kwenze nini khona ngapha emakhaya. Lapha eGoli yekelani into yena le. Lizwe leli siyalikhuphula i-economy yasukuma. Uyakuzwa into kwakhona. So lokho ukuthi lithi singasebenzi madoda hayi ayisine lisiqhatshana. Lilama business aphilina ngaphandle kokuhamba likwatula amathara lisithi mabahambe. Libulala umgwaqo lahamba lifaka ama potholes. Lifuna ukuthi kulungiswe futhi kahle. Sesidriver nzima la emgwaqweni nxa uthi lifaka ama potholes. Madoda no. Ayihloniphane bafowethu, sihlonipha kakhulu. Lana ke lizama ukusinika indawo yokuthi sihlonipheke. Abantu beZimbabwe vele sikhuluma ilanguage efanayo lana. Singakabala amaXhosa lamavenda lamapedi maningi kancane. Lina kasikhulumi lana, sikhuluma lamadoda manje maZulu lingabakithi lina. So maningi kancane lokho elikwenzayo. Khamisani ivideo le ifike kuphi la semadodeni aseNatal ngale kwaNongoma ngale. Ayifika ivideo. Yekele futhi ukuthuka abantu beNigeria, ukuthuka abantu beUganda, ukuthuka abantu baseMalawi, ukuthuka abantu beMozambique. No, singabantu bayi. Into esitshoyo ukuthi kasiyindawo until further notice.
Uthi abakusabi ukufa. They are not afraid of being unalived. Each and every time you tell Zimbabweans to go and fight for their country, they will tell you about soldiers and police who will unalive them, who will arrest them. That the ZANU-PF, they don't joke, those ones. They unalive you. It's not like here in South Africa where they will spray tear gas. They will just unalive you and arrest you. So now, a Zimbabwean man is telling us ukuthi bona bakusaba ukufa. So since when bengasakusaba ukufa bona? Laba bacabanga ukuthi kuyadlalwa yazi. But as I always say, I don't blame them. I blame our leaders who are misleading them. But bona if bezovuma ukumisleadwa ama-politicians bazoyisola because akekho umuntu ongazi ukuthi politician umuntu onjani. So guys, let me know what you think on the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, to like and share the video. Love you guys. Bye.